Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Oops. Hi guys! Welcome to my reflection video. Before the midterm break, I was planning to do my reflection video, and I think if I get 80% plus, I would do a video on how to do a good research outline. And as happy as I am, I got 80%. So here are my tips to do a good research report outline. So first thing first, you need to pay attention, especially when you're working and when you're in class.
"346 minutes later. Much later.
Hi, baby. You're the cutest in the world. So normally, people can have the ability of paying attention if they just pay attention. However, there might be a few factors that make it very hard to pay attention, especially for people who have ADHD, like me. But anyway, I managed to survive after 12 years of studying, so why can't you? Second tips, narrow down your question before starting the research report. Why? Because if you are doing a research on such wide, vast, huge topic, you might find a billion of information that you end up with many things to write, too many in fact. So it might be really hard for you and reader to catch your idea in such a large topic. You might be wandering around and then end up with nothing. And this is how I narrow down my questions. I know my handwriting is sometimes spectacular. My topic is drug addiction. Question why, and then answer the question who, what is happening. Choose a very specific place. Topics, questions become drug addicts should stop being treated unfairly in the US in the future. Well, in the future is quite redundant, but you need to put specific time.
Oh honey, so our friendship's...
Okay, tips number 3. It is very advisable that you take notes while you're doing your research outline, because when you're reading through articles, you might catch up some ideas that haven't been there in your mind ever. And noting down some good examples, good evidence, good data will help you to save a lot of time on keep going back to these sources and read again and again and again. One thing that I believe your teacher have been telling you over and over and over again is please remember to cite accurately, and at the end please have a good reference list. I'm sure you have. So I have been synthesizing many ways that I've been asking my friend, asking my teacher, and also from my self-experience, I've tried all of these, and I recommend you SciFast. So SciFast is very easy to use. When you open the website, the first part is to have you to choose what type of sources are you citing. To copy and paste the link there. You can still do this manually and then click save, and voila, perfect reference list with alphabetical order. I've been reading a lot of research outline reports. I've been, seeing my friends get in trouble because their sources for the research essay is not reliable enough. Their whole effort, weeks, become a waste. Google Scholar, PBS CEO, Gare, Greener, New Internationalist, my favorite database, and also a government website. They are also very reliable. You're welcome. So that is all guys for my reflection video. I also use my precious video to give you guys my 5 tips on how to do a good research report outline. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope to see you all next time. Of course, when we're watching this video, we'll be watching in class, so Basically, I'm missing you guys, but what I mean is that I have a YouTube channel of my own, and it's been 6 months since my last videos.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Thank you for your time. See you in my next video.
넌